Don't go and attack your Ponzi influencers or casino influencers. Most are legit and putting you through the right path. It's some who are enjoying your misfortune. This video will unravel the truth about the Ponzi scheme and how influencers make money out of it. Over the years, many Ponzi schemes have come to existence, and in these years, many of them turns out to be fake, and many turns out to be legit. But in this video, I'll explain how influencers make millions of dollars and you end up being scammed. How do they make money actually? Most online casinos offer affiliate programs or referral programs. These programs are designed to reward influencers or affiliates who send new players to the bet sites. The influencer provides a special referral link, usually tracked with an affiliate code to you. When you click that link and sign up for the casino or the betting platform, the referral is tracked. After signing up, the person influencer tells you to deposit money into your account and start gambling. So they get a commission of what you deposited and started playing. How do they make money from your losses? Some affiliate programs offer influencers lifetime commissions for the players they refer to, right? This means that the influencer earns a percentage of the player's losses over time, as long as the player keeps playing and losing money. To make it more sensible, let me come down and break it for you. You deposited $1,000 and kept playing, but you just kept losing. The influencer will continue to earn a percentage of your total losses, not just the one time after all. They have a lifetime revenue share agreement with the bet company. So, $1,000 in losses. The influencer will earn 30% of $1,000 based on percentage agreement, which is $6,000. Even if you keep playing for a year, if you don't win, the influencer continues earning money from your losses as long as you are active.
What other ways do they make money too? There's something called the exclusive bonus, or the special deal offer. Your influencer will tell you about a free spin or some cash rewards which they draw you in to make money from it. Example, the gambling site may offer an exclusive 100% match bonus to new players referred by the influencer. The influencer may then earn 10% of the bonus amount given to the player. If a player deposits $2,000 and receives a $2,000 bonus, the influencer would get $200. Another nice way they make money through receiving direct payments. Some influencers receive direct payments from gambling companies to advertise their platform or to sponsor their content. Yes, that one is common. Register with my code. Get this and that bonus. You see it everywhere. Normal stuff. 6. There are some gambling sites where the owners sit behind the screen to manipulate your wins. This is the most dangerous way here. What they do is, they call some influencers on the phone and say, "Hey, I'm going to offer you $10,000. Tell your fans to come and bet with us. They will win." The influencer didn't suspect anything. He asks, "Are you sure they'll win?" The owner says, "Of course, if you like to create an account and play." The influencer creates an account and deposits $100 and plays. The owner quickly manipulates the system for the influencer $100 to make $1,000. Then the influencer will be amazed and screams, "This is real." He puts another $100 and makes $2,000 this time. He's happy that he can help his followers make money and then tells them about it. Immediately, 1/100th of his followers join and deposit $100 each, which is now $2,000. The owner manipulates the system, making them lose all their money. But you blame the influencer. He might not even be aware that the system is manipulated. After all, when he plays, the owner allows him to win sometimes to gain his trust. There are nice influencers around who might have gotten into the dirty system without knowing that the wins are being manipulated. Their own is they accepted a deal, and they don't have access to the back end or the actual operations of the casino platform. They're typically unaware of whether the casino is engaging in unethical practices. So in all, there are great influencers doing their job, which is promotion, and there are some doing their job to make sure you play, el pus, and win, so they take their share and go. Then when they're satisfied, they run away to another platform. I'm repeating, this doesn't mean all gambling influencers are doing shady stuff. Some reject the other part of the contract to follow the right path to make sure those playing too are enjoying themselves. Some of these bet platforms which owners allegedly manipulated the wins are Sendafabet, 3. B-Bar Fun. They were unlicensed and made lots of money through its platform by allegedly manipulating a whole lot of stuff. I can't tell if they're doing the right thing now. And some sites I've seen your favorites advertise in the past too. In all, you do avoid falling victim to any Ponzi scheme, just make legitimate money.